So you can define flatness.
So when you're saying flatness, what is the height and what is the width? Like if you're talking about it as if it's a table, there must be some sort of there's a dimension to it, correct?
Oh yeah, there's a third dimension of space,
Right.
but the same applies. It's just a generalization of geometry. Then, so you can the point is we can picture it in 2 dimensions, but you can draw. You can quite literally, you could imagine sending light beams out, and we do this measurement actually. We can look at the most distant light we can see, which is something called the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is if you imagine looking out. If you look at the Andromeda Galaxy, which we can see with the naked eye here in LA, you can see that. It's the most distant object you can see with the naked eye. And it's about 2 million light years away or so, which means the light took 2 million years to get to us. So it's a long way away, but it's very big. So as you look further out into the universe to more and more distant galaxies, you're looking further back in time, because you look at something that's 1 billion light years away, then the light took 1 billion years to get to us. So you see it as it was 1 billion years in the past. And we can actually look so far out that we can see almost back to 13.8 billion years ago, which is very close to the Big Bang. So we can look to light that began its journey before there were galaxies. And that's the oldest light in the universe, which is, by the way, one of the pieces of evidence when people say, I don't believe in the Big Bang. The answer is, well, you can see it. So, it's just there. You can see it. We have pictures of it. That light, it turns out that there are sort of structures or ripples in that light, which we can use as a ruler. So quite literally as a ruler on the sky. And then because that light's been traveling through the universe, we can see how that ruler's been distorted as the light has traveled through space. And so we can infer whether space is flat or curved or how it's warps, if you like, just from that measurement.
So when you're saying flatness, what is the height and what is the width?